Hi guys, how are you doing? Myself, I'm perfect. Spring weather is so amazing, very sunny and bright. So I want to show you step by step how I regrow my spring onions. Whatever I get from the shop or the market, I'm able to spare some and regrow them so that I'm able to harvest something out of it and save a little. So let's get to it, guys. All you need is an empty container filled with water. Get your onion, place it inside, and there you go. Your onion is there growing. Spring onions ready. You don't have to have a big land. All you need is a space on your counter, in your kitchen, anywhere you can place your container, near your window, on the kitchen counter like this one. There you go. This one is ready to use. I'll cut it off. Ready to use it for my cooking. So this is how you can recycle your bottles. You can use them to plant your onions and do a little saving, guys. Hi guys, so today I want us to go do some harvesting. It's spring finally, and I have a kitchen garden with my spring onions, so I want to come with me. We'll go do some harvesting. It doesn't matter what kind of space that you have, as much as little as you have. You can either use pots, the little space that you have. Spring onions, you can grow them on your counter, kitchen, on your window. They are easy to manage. You don't need a lot of work. So guys, if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm Eunice. If you are new, please don't pass by without subscribing. This is the only way you can support me. Subscribe, like, share, comment, so that I know what you think. So let's go and do some harvests. Let's get down to it. Come with me. These are the onions right here. We need to harvest. My spring onions are ready to harvest. You don't need a lot of space to add some onions for your kitchen. This is a small place that I've just planted the spring onions. Some are ready to harvest. I need to do some weeding also as I harvest. This one looks so healthy. I harvest some and enjoy my spring onions in my food. The ones you see coming out so well, these are the big onions that have been planted, the round onions. But these ones are the small spring onions that I cut the part of the, I cut this part and replanted again. So these are been growing them from what I got from the store. But the ones you see coming out very well are these, the big onions. The ones you see looking so weak, I cut part of the stem and replanted it. This one is even flowering, guys. So utilize the small spaces that you have to grow some of your kitchen vegetables. My basin, my scissors. There's still more. advantage of spring onions, you keep growing and you keep harvesting. So I have plenty and I've left out some for another day. This one here, I see it very healthy, let it remain. This one here, this one and this one. So look at that. That's quite a saving. I don't have to buy spring onions. I've just harvested from my kitchen garden. It's a little saving, but it means a lot. Harvest. Wish me luck in the next harvest. You can even plant them in a pot like these ones. There's one over here. They need harvesting. Another one here. There are so many. We'll have a good harvest.